Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Baldi in his camping gear. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes again, and it's just going to be 2 circles. So I'm just going to draw one and then just come over. Maybe the spacing, it could be like the width of one eyeball. Okay, and then I'm going to draw the inside. So just another circle, and then I'm just going to shade it in real quick. And then from here we'll draw his nose. So right in the middle here, you can put a little dot, and then we just going to draw like a teardrop shape. So just come down and then just round it off. Alright, and then from here, let's draw in part of his hat first. So just draw one line across right above the eyes. Okay, don't worry about the length, we can always make it longer later. So then once we have this, let's draw in the side of the face. So come around here, you just draw in, it's almost like a bracket. Okay, and then let's come down and draw his lip. So we come down and draw his lip, and we're just gonna draw one line first. And then after that, we're gonna come right above it, just draw like a little curve for his upper lip. And then I'm just gonna draw like almost like a little wavy line connecting to the corners. It's got very strange lips. Okay, and then on the bottom, I'm just gonna draw one line on the bottom. And then I'm just gonna connect the corners again, just go out. Okay, so now we can finish up the face. So we're gonna continue this curve, just kind of curve in toward the lip, and then we're just gonna curve it all the way down to his neck, and then we'll close that off with a curve going this way. So that's gonna be his neck. All right, so that's the head, and let's finish up the hat. So for his hat up here, we're gonna draw another line to give some thickness here. And then in the corners, we're just gonna smooth it out a little bit. And then for the top of the hat, we're just gonna come up here in the middle. You can just draw yourself a little curve. And then from that curve, we're gonna come down all the way down here. So past his head over here. So here's the side of the head, we're gonna come all the way to the side here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go up on this one, and this one I'm gonna come down. Again, past his head on the side. Alright, and then some detail here, we're just gonna draw one line across on the hat. And then for the little folds here, I'm just gonna draw 2 lines. Just kind of curve it out like that. Alright, so that's his hat, and let's move on to his backpack here. So in order to draw his body, we're gonna have to draw in the little strap on this backpack. So right over here on the side of the neck, just draw one slant like this. So come down all the way about here. And then on this side, we're gonna draw the same thing here. So slant it out. Okay, so if we go up, it's gonna be right around here. And then once you have those 2 slants, we're just gonna give it some thickness here. So come across, and then we're just gonna go all the way up behind the face. Okay, so same thing here, come across, and then we're just gonna go all the way up. Okay, so that's the strap for his backpack. And now we can draw in his body. So from the corner here, we're just gonna come down. And then we'll just close that off. So that's gonna be his body. And then we're gonna add one section. So if you come up here, there should be a little bit more of his shoulder that we can see. Okay, or just come across here from the neck and just kind of go down. So this should be like a nice rectangle. Right, and then from here, let's draw in his arms. So his arms are really easy. So we're just gonna come out slightly, come down right around here. That's gonna be his elbow. So we're gonna give it some thickness. Okay, and his lower arm, I'm just gonna bend it in slightly, and then just close it off around there. And then for his hands, She's gonna come out and then just come back in, and that's gonna be his thumb. Okay, here's the back of the hand. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw in the rest of the fingers. So we're just gonna extend that line, and then let's see, I'm just gonna draw in one curve like this and another one here, and then extend this and just draw one more. So I'm just gonna draw 3 fingers. Okay, so let's go move on to the other side. So same thing here, come out, going out to the elbows, and then again a little bit of bend there, close it, and then again his hand. So we're gonna come out, just come in, and that's gonna be his thumb. Here's the back of the hand. Okay, a little line there, and then we're just gonna continue this. One curve, one finger, curve, and just kind of connect that. Again, one more. Okay, and then let's finish out the backpack since we're up here. So for his backpack, just on the back here, just draw one line across, and then we're gonna curve it and just kind of have it come down. So give it a little bit of curve and just come down. And we just come down all the way as long as we hit the straps, and it's okay. Okay, and then let's see, lastly his legs are super easy. So again, we're just gonna draw 2 lines like that. I'm gonna give it a slight bend again. Come down, close it, and then for his shoe, I'm just gonna draw a curve like that. Okay, so same thing here. We're just gonna come down, straight down, close it, and then the shoe, just a little curve. And that is it for this Baldi in this camping gear. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.